Hi, I Jatin Visaria welcome you on behalf of UTI Mutual Fund. Today we are going to talk about index investing, or which is popularly known as passive investing. Stock market or equity market reflects the growth of country's economy, and if you want to be part of that growth, you can get that opportunity by investing into share market. Broadly, there are two ways in which you can invest into shares. One, by directly buying the shares of companies you like, and another one is through equity mutual fund schemes. Broadly, equity funds are either actively managed by a fund manager or can be simply managed by tracking or following particular stock market index. For example, you must have heard about indices like Nifty 50, S&P, BSE, Sensex, etc. Passively managed fund try to replicate the returns of one of such indices by investing into the shares which are forming part of this index, and that too in same proportion. Let us understand this with a small example. Suppose there is an index which has three stocks: stock A, stock B and stock C. Stock A has weight of 50%, stock B has weight of 25%, and balance weight of 25% is into stock C. Now, if 100 rupees needs to be invested into this particular index, in that case 50 rupees will be allotted to stock A, 25 rupees will be invested into stock B, and remaining 25 rupees will be invested into stock C. Generally, these indices are rebalanced at particular frequency. Now, during the rebalancing period, if stock C goes out and if in place of stock C, stock D comes in that case, passively managed fund will sell the stock C and buy the stock D. Now, if after a year this index gives the return of 15%, in that case, passively managed fund which is replicating this particular index will also broadly give the return of 15%. And if this index goes down by 15%, in that case, net asset value of this scheme will also fall by 15%. However, due to fund related expenses, that is cost, which is generally known as total expense ratio, and tracking error, there will be slight difference between the fund return and the index return. In summary, actively managed funds are managed by a fund manager by taking active stocks and sector specific calls, whereas passively managed funds are managed by replicating particular stock market index. For more detail, you may visit utimf.com, or you may also post your queries or questions in the comment or reply section given below. Thank you for watching and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.